Celebrities are similar to us, but they differ in many important and irrelevant ways, like their ability and willingness to impulsively buy a new car. That doesn't mean I hate her. One of the most successful and famous women on the planet, Kim Kardashian, was once a B-rated reality TV star, socialite, and aspiring pop sensation. She recently added a new car to her already impressive collection. Considering Kim seems to buy a new vehicle every few months, that's not news in itself. What's noteworthy is her choice of a new car. Kim has adopted a very somber aesthetic, sandy beige or metallic gray, over the past few years, which is evident in her home, her wardrobe, and, yes, her car. Kim considers it a peaceful and simple luxury, but others find it boring and uninspiring. None of that describes her new vehicle. It's a stunning 1973 Ford Bronco Ranger that has been re-engineered by Florida-based restoration experts Velocity Restorations. It's a true historic vehicle with all the style and functionality of a new car. It's nearly impossible to know exactly what's in Kim's garage these days. First, the Welcome to My House, or Here's My Car Collection interviews that used to be so exciting to watch on MTV, RIP, or VH1 have long been a thing of the past for celebrities. These days, social media is the only place where showing off is considered socially acceptable, as it creates the impression of a direct conversation with supporters back home. Second, Kim tends to add a new car every couple of months, making it logistically difficult to keep track of. After receiving one, she posts photos of herself in it on social media for a few days before the car disappears to a location exclusively for Kim's vehicles. It's unclear whether that's a junk market or her enormous garage.